Hey guys, it's me here, and today's video is going to be asking people if they've ever been scammed. And if I have the item they were scammed for, I'm gonna give them that item, or I'm gonna give them a greet because I have diamonds. Not really, but that's what I think we're gonna do. But if we're gonna do that, we have to take out this button. Because I don't want them to know that. Shoot. You'll never know when I'm recording. There we go. So I think the first person we're gonna ask is Alex of Hot Girls. Actually, no. Let's not ask her. Let's ask her. So they say, have you ever been scammed? You said that? Okay. Hi. Alright, so we're just gonna start off with a simple hi, and I hope she responds. So, let's hope that happens. Probably won't. MSP at 10. She answered. This is a weird question. Mind if I ask it? I hope, like, somebody's nice about this. Okay. So, this is a weird question. Do you mind if I ask it? Okay, so have you ever been scammed? Okay, if I don't have the item, I'm gonna feel so bad. But I will give them, like, an auto or a shout out so you guys can maybe. No, I haven't. Really? Really? She's never been scammed? That's cool. Okay, what am I? Okay. Have you? Yes, a lot, actually. Yeah, a lot, actually. Okay, let's actually not ask her. Oh, this girl is so nice. I love this girl so much. Come on. Okay, let's just go to this girl. Hey. Sorry. Such an alien, such a real alien, oh my gosh. Sure. Okay, so let's ask this girl. Okay. 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 So, things are going pretty well. Can you turn that down? Let's wait while somebody responds. Look, you can do a backflip. Ready? That's backflip. Woo! Such a backflip. I know, right? Nobody's. No one's been scared.
Oh, shoot. Darn. Rick. Young Shed West, and I'm getting really rich. Ching, see how I'm rocking to them really with this stuff. Oh, shoot. Darn. Rick. Young Shed West, and I'm getting really rich. Ching, see how I'm rocking to them really with this
Alright, I guess she's probably gonna be like, I don't know if I've ever been scared, but. Okay, well, everybody should go support this girl because I feel bad. But that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. And if you try to add me, I'll add you back. Thanks. Bye, guys.